I think that this is a time in our development where banks are going to be challenged with the role that they've had, which is often an exclusive relationship with a customer. And so we're going to see other organizations offer banking type services and challenge that bank's dominant relationship. And in Australia, I've been reading about the Coles supermarket chain that not only sells insurance to its customers, but is talking about applying for a banking license. And the reason is because they already have great customer experience and customer loyalty, and they could add other products and services to that mix. We think about, in a digital world, there are three sources of competitive advantage: the content or products, the customer experience, and the platforms to deliver them. And so you can imagine Coles saying, we're going to focus on the customer experience and we'll plug and play other people's financial services into that customer experience. Alternatively, they could say, no, we're going to have the customer experience and produce some of those products. So it's a choice. And the third part to the equation is who provides the platforms, the iPad apps or the ways in which they're going to connect directly to the customer and provide those services. So we see those three sources of competitive advantage being able to be provided by different companies or one company. So it turns out when you study this, and at MIT we like to measure those things, it turns out that the companies that have the best content have the fastest growth. In a digital world, content, newness, buzz is all important. You want to have something new every month or every week to get people's attention. Very important for growth. Customer experience is very important for cross-selling and the satisfaction of a customer staying with you and representing you to their friends in a positive light. So strong correlation with the customer experience and getting more from each customer. And platforms, being good at those digital platforms like transaction processing and payments, the companies who have the best platforms have the best ROAs, the best profitabilities. So growth for content, retention and loyalty for customer experience, and cost for platforms so that we don't reinvent the wheel every time we build something. But now the line between technology and the line of operations in banking is blurring. And often you can't tell who's in technology and who's in the line of business or products. And more they're going to be a blend. So content is not only going to be about products, it's going to be about advice and other information. So think Amazon stars and that sort of thing. Experience is about bringing together multiple products to deliver on the need of a customer. So when I buy a car, I want a loan and insurance and an extended warranty, multiple products. And platforms are about business processes and data and making them cheap and fast. So those are now multiplayer games. Technology and business have to work together at all three levels, and it will include partners from outside banks as well.